Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sammy again here, and today is 24 December 2020, and almost Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from now. What I wanted to today, uh, in the last video, we made Swagger endpoint, and we had some discuss about some things, and now we want again discuss about post data. For those who want to see how our structure is, I made it like this. This is my employee class, and employee has a list of each employee has a list of addresses. List of this. Each employee have a list of this for now, okay? And here there is no interface pattern, and here we want now add some data to database. Okay, and data, I mean object of employee. Okay, if I'm now, and I have here accept an employee object, and I say here if I run this right now, HTTP post method, if you take a look at the second part of this series of Swagger, you see that how structure is that. Here I'm coming to post, and you see it say each employee has array addresses, and this is the first element of these addresses. Okay, and now let's see, for example, when it say one, it's like this, huh? But what if this incoming request is like this? It has two addresses, or maybe three. Okay, what about how about that? Okay, um, because you have to make a deal with that actually when you want to make some structure like this. And let me now show you how we get all like equal. For example, if I want to solve this, I say here employee emp is equal to new employee, and I want to say here that employee, because we want to make an employee has, look, name, address, and ID. If I say, for example, employee name is equal to request, what is coming? Employee name. Okay, I want to take the name that is coming from here from request and put it in my database, for example, or to fill that object up. Okay, name is that, and I'm saying here an employee object has addresses. It means request of addresses. This is a list. Okay, if I come here, you see, say a collection of something. Okay, but what is the problem here right now? mm, I want to solve this like, if I say this, and now I want to say to my program, and now rerun it. Okay, this is post, and I want to say I have two, for example one, I have one, and address is, for example, cc. If I execute that, what it say? It say this save to database. Let's see our employee name is a string. I like 28. I need 28 is okay, and we want to see with the ID of 28, or there is one address here, and here it is. Okay, one is okay. And now let's put two addresses there. Okay, and I say here, okay, copy this, and here, and I say name is and for example CCC, and here is BB, execute, and I say employee added, and I want to see uh, employee added and addresses added, also those things. But now let me show you other thing, because sometimes you don't need, because this is coming, uh, sometimes I need some other things here. mm, Here I want now to say here, that is a new list of addresses, for example, but that's just empty one. Okay, let me check, sorry for guys, I had to check my pizza. Okay, I have here addresses, and I want to say here uh, that was employee name, that's just a new, and that address is just a list of something. And here I want to say now, for each, for example I say here a variable address, in request addresses, this is it, an employee is coming, an employee has addresses. Okay, and now I say here, okay, in that request dot addresses, there are many elements there. Okay, I want to say I want to say here, emp dot add address, dot employee addresses dot add, but here uh, new address, new address here. Okay, and here now in new address I want to say id, uh, mp dot add. Here id, say no, employee id, I want to start with employee id. I want to say employee id is equal to incoming id, and then we had also address id is equal to address dot, and address is this, for we are iterating in that request addresses. Okay, and now I say here name 2 is equal to address dot name 2, and name 1 is equal to address dot name 1, name 1. Okay, name 1, and like this. Okay, and because this is empty list, and here in this for loop, uh, we are going to initialize that list, fill it off that list, and when it's finished, and then we say now put it in database. Okay, I want to put it manually, or sometimes we don't need all of these fields. Okay, and now right now I want to say, I want to post employee, try it out. I want to say I have here control C, uh, this is first series of list, uh, this is the Second one, this is third one, uh, that's fourth one. Okay, and the name my test 55. Okay, okay, 200 is say added, and now let's check database. My test 5, employee ID 30. Let's see that with employee 30, which is here. How many records with employee 30? You see 2 3 4, and just everything is fine. Okay, this is how you get access to incoming ticks, and you iterate over those things. Okay, have a nice day. See you in the next time.